Hey guys, what's up? So today is going to be the very first time me visiting New York and I'm taking you with me. Hey guys, so I'm here walking downtown and it seems quite interesting. Take a look. I'm not going to lie, I had a huge jet lag after my flight, and on my first day, it was basically a night, a short period of time. I decided to explore the downtown of Manhattan, the financial district. I went to New York Stock Exchange. It was just like in the movies. Then night started to come to the streets of New York already, and I decided to meet my friend. We went to the Rooftop bar, and in this place I understood that I'm truly happy right now. I'm watching the New York views from the roof. And we decided to end this night on the Times Square, the place that never sleeps, the must-see of New York. So we are here on the pier. This is downtown Manhattan. This is New Jersey. And this is Manhattan again. So this is the Friends apartment from the popular movie called Friends, and it's located in the neighborhood called East Village, which is really nice. I'm enjoying here. I've been having breakfast in this cafe so far, and it was so nice. I didn't even know that it was the Friends apartment. I just wanted to eat and I was looking for a cafe. I was super excited for my day because I had a helicopter flight. Hey, yeah, so I'm going to take a helicopter ride like this in 20 minutes over Manhattan, and we're going to see how it's going to go. I booked a 15 minutes helicopter ride right on Flight Maran website, and it costed me $150. If you've been thinking about taking a helicopter tour but you was doubting, I can definitely tell you that you have to take it. It worth every cent of this $150, and it's not even such a big price. I was enjoying, I get a lot of emotions, and it's basically going to last me for the rest of my life. So do the same, I encourage you, and don't even doubt about that. After this tiring day, I met my Ukrainian friend who is actually living in New York now, and she took me to another rooftop venue with the beautiful view on Manhattan downtown. All I can say, it was amazing, good music, nice view. One cocktail costs around $20, which is a bit expensive, but again, you're getting this view. Thank you for watching the first part of my New York experience. It was basically my first 2 days in New York. In the second part that I'm going to drop on YouTube in few days, I'm going to show you Highland Park, Brooklyn Bridge, Brighton Beach neighborhood. Not a super typical tourist places, however interesting places in New York where I've been personally, and share my experiences. Also follow my IG because I'm traveling to Brazil, Argentina and Peru in next few months. If you want to stay updated, see the interesting places, interesting views, you're welcome. I'm going to help you answering you any question you want, and see you.